I'm sure you've seen a bunch of your favorite YouTubers and recipe bloggers parading Chinese chili oil as some kind of god-tier level condiment. And there's a reason for that. It is a god-tier level condiment. But what of our friends with an unfortunate aversion to foods of the piquant persuasion, whether this aversion be of the palate or medical in nature? Surely they too should be allowed to indulge in this delicacy, no? The key to unlock the oxymoron that is a not spicy chili oil is more familiar than you may think. Dehydrated red bell peppers. You can either buy these online or dry them out yourself using a dehydrator or your oven. There's a recipe in the description below. I've found that the peppers I dehydrate myself yield a more intense red color, so that's my recommendation. Each one of these fresh peppers will yield about 10 grams of dried, so for most chili oil recipes, you'll need to dehydrate 6 to 10 of these. However you obtain the secret ingredient, it's as simple as coarsely grinding them and then swapping out the chilies in your favorite chili oil recipe. I'm not going to lie to you and say your end result will be as nuanced as an oil that employs a carefully curated selection of capsaicin-laden peppers, but god dang if it isn't close. Hopefully this technique will bring some Szechuan classics to a segment of the population that has previously been woefully underserved. Later, nerds.
Crash Course Kitchen. Crash Course Kitchen. It's hard to say.